Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo MUSYOKA na murunawe wa DAP Wamalwa kuuga gutire umithio no umwe muingi wa bururi wonete kumana na riboti ya WUIGUANO ya NADCO. Riu MINISTA wa hinya wa kuhuthika OPIYO Wandayi niakumithitie atongoria aya eri akiuga ni marahenia ruriri rwa JALUO niguo rukamaikiria kura hindi ya githurano kinene giukite.
Some of our sons who have been killed in the past were killed when Kalonzo MUSYOKA was in government. And he never questioned those killings then. And now, yet now, when the government led by President William Ruto, in which we are serving, courtesy of Raila Odinga, has gone a step further and established a committee to undertake compensation of all victims of violence from 2017 up to now. He goes ahead and rubbishes that initiative.
Wandayi augite riboti ya NADCO iria igwithanirio ni thirikari na mung'ethaniro kurumirira mirurungano ya mwaka wa 2023 ni irehete umithio munene kuri muingi wa bururi ari ni hamwe na gukinyanirio gwa kamiti ya ithurano mihaka IEBC.
That IEBC that we have currently was put in place through a selection panel in which sat a nominee of Kalonzo MUSYOKA known as Dr. Kokimuli. And therefore, let us be honest as leaders. Tukitaka wananchi watupigie kura, tuwe watu wa ukweli. Tusiseme uongo, si namna hiyo? Tuseme tu ukweli. Kama uko na haja na kura ya Wajaluo, kuja polepole. Washa kuja na orongo.
Akiaria ri kanitha-ini umwe tauni-ini ya Kisumu hindi ya gucangithia mbeca cia gwaka kanitha ucio, OPIYO niakumithitie Wamalwa akiuga ndari na uge o wothe iguru rigie riboti ya NADCO kuona ni aregire gwikira kirore riboti ya muthia.
Eugene Wamalwa cannot have the moral authority to dictate how the NADCO report should be implemented, because on the last day when we were signing off the NADCO report, Wamalwa took off and ran away. He declined to sign the report, claiming that he was traveling to the DRC Congo. Yet he went and hid somewhere in Kilimani. So he has got no moral authority to dictate to us how NADCO report should be implemented.
Kalonzo na Wamalwa mararitie muthenya wa ira hindi ya mathiko ma mwari wa nyina na Raila Odinga Bale la Odinga kuria maroririe muingi wa gitaru kiu ndugetikire kuhenio na gutire umithio monete.
Never betray what our brother Raila stood for, and therefore that is my mission to you, ndugu. As you do your broad-based arrangements, we have no problem. Raila left you at that, but also Raila said up to 2027, fine. Up to that time, tutaongea hayo mengine kajwang. And I will tell you, because 15 years with brother Raila Odinga was not just a joke. It was a very deep relationship, a relationship anchored on the democratic values of our country and the future we wanted to bequeath to our young citizens, including our Gen Z.